Okay guys, this is Sonamas again signing in YouTube. Today guys, I want to teach you another tutorial, Unomas tutorial where Republic style fast and easy. And let's do this quick. And the title of my tutorial is this. Okay. Unomas tutorial, Black Star Boys Domination Wire Republic style fast and easy. So this client is without further ado, it's a voice client and it's only specialized in voice. Okay, as you can see, there's a room. If I want to IG a person in the room, ID in the room that has not busy, you cannot ignore. But if they have a busy, you can ignore users. As you can see, that's okay. So it's specialized only in what? In voice. So it do specialize in voice. It is a client, okay, but it does only it do its work in a voice dominance. Black Star Voice Domination. Without further saying anything, you see by Black Star Voice Domination by Pakistan S.59. It do specialize in voice. Okay. First thing is what you want to do is click in the options, and there you will see what you must click automatically reconnect on disconnect, auto join chat, login with YMS G16, auto cloak, click OK, and that's it. And the domination rate must be on 100. Okay. Please take note of this. The domination rate must be on 100. Okay, click apply. So I will test this one because it do have a good domination in BC. So I will test it with a Supra. As you can see, I'm stepping using my Black Star voice domination there. Here, my ID is Lipstick Babe. Now I will step in with my Supra and challenge the BC of Black Star voice domination and see what happens. Okay, I have made the protocol of Y Supra in its best. His voice servers, his protocol is voice dominant in its best. So let's see who stands out and who wins the BC. I click in the voice. As you can see, there it goes. I mute this one. Okay, there it goes. Now let's see who will win. Let's just wait. Who will wins? As you can see, my Supra is 1 of 19, and my Black Star Voice Domination is 17 of 19. If to fight the VC very strong. So the Black Star Voice Domination. Actually, guys, this Black Star Voice Domination is just released today. Okay, it's October what? October 29, 28. 10:02 AM. Okay, so as you can see, my Supra is no match for my Black Star Voice Domination. So see the BC, you can see my Supra is no match for my Black Star Voice Domination. Okay, I will make a part 2 tutorial of this. Okay, I will make what I will first step my Supra, then I will step in my Black Star Voice Domination. Okay, as you can see, my ID is left. My ID is left. Okay, so Sonamas signing out in YouTube. Hope guys this tutorial will help you. Okay, and sayonara guys. Bye.